Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to disable Copilot Windows 11 2025 version. So whether it is slowing things down or you just don't need AI on your desktop, here is a few simple things that you can do to in order to remove it. So in the method one, you can remove Copilot from the taskbar. For that, simply click on the taskbar and go to your taskbar. You can even just click on the search bar in the bottom and search for settings. So basically, once you are in your settings, you need to click on the personalization option. Now you need to just scroll down and click on taskbar. Now over here, you need to scroll down and then select the taskbar behavior. Over here, you will have to turn the toggle button off for the Copilot. This will basically remove the icon and access instantly without uninstalling anything. Now you can disable using the terminal. So this is the advanced option, but it is quite easy. For that, you need to right click on the start menu. Over here, you need to just simply scroll down and click on the Windows terminal. In your Windows terminal, you need to paste a command which will put the link in the description. So you need to paste that and hit enter and restart your PC. This way, Copilot will no longer show the taskbar and you can launch the interface. So you can block Copilot via the system settings as well. For that, come in the settings and click on the privacy and security option. Over here, you will have to scroll down and select the option of the diagnostics and feedback. Here you can turn off the option of the diagnostic data. Then you need to go to your settings and then go to systems. Here in your systems, click on the notifications and disable anything that is related to Copilot suggestions or tips. This helps reduce Copilot's activity and visibility without any registry edits. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.